Now I'm going to look at telling the time to half past the hour. So at the moment the time is 8 o'clock, and I know this because my minute hand is pointing to o'clock, which is number 12, and the hour hand is pointing to number 8. It is 8 o'clock. If I want to show the time 8:30, my minute hand needs to have moved and travelled halfway round my clock. If I was to cut my clock in half, there would be drawing a line from number 12 down to number 6. So this hand here, this minute hand, is going to move halfway round the clock until it points to number 6. So it's gone halfway round the clock. So it is now 8:30 and 8:30. So that's how we make 8:30. So let's try another one. Let's make 3:30. So I know that my long minute hand needs to be down at number 6 to show 8:30. And I know that my hour hand needs to now point just past the number 3 to make 3:30. So remember, children, that I said there are 60 minutes. All these little dots represent a minute. There are 60 minutes in a whole hour. So if my minute hand has moved halfway round the clock, how many minutes have passed? So if a full rotation of the clock is 60, what would half be? Do you know what half of 60 is? It's 30. So this minute hand here, if I want to show 10 o'clock, I put the hour hand on number 10. It's pointing to 10. That's 10 o'clock. But if I want to show 10:30, this hand travels halfway around the clock, and that takes 30 minutes to get to the bottom. And this little hour hand does move on a little bit when we get to 8:30, because we're not actually at 10 o'clock anymore. We've gone a bit past, we've gone halfway past that 10 now. 30 minutes have passed, and it is now 10:30. So o'clock is always at the top and 8:30 is always at the bottom.